Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mark. I'm going to walk you through how to assemble this teacher's pencil holder. You're going to love this. It's very easy to make and people are going to love getting it as a gift, or your customers are going to love buying it. Let me walk you through all the parts and then we'll assemble it. So starting over here, we've got the ruler, the 3 layers of the ruler. Then we've got the 3 layers of the letter. We've got the top frames of the pencil holder itself, these frames right here. Then we've got the box itself, the 4 sides that tab together, just like you see here. The bottom piece of the box. Then we've got the back of the pencil, and then the top layer, and then the inserts of the pencil, which go right there. And then last but not least, we've got the trim ring here and the inside piece that goes right here. Okay, let me make a quick point about these pieces that have the internal pieces. You can technically choose to not use the inside of the ruler. For example, you could leave it out and let it be dimensional like that, and that would just let the color of the back piece come through if that's the look you're going for. Same thing with the letter. Whatever letter you choose, you can do it like that. You can also do that with the pencil. If you don't want to put the inside pieces in, you can leave it like this. That's completely up to you. I personally like putting the parts inside because I think it looks better and you get a chance to use more colors. So let's start by putting together the box itself, and then we'll work our way around. One thing I want to show you that should be obvious, but just in case, there's a tab at the bottom of all these, and those tabs fit right into this base like this and just go all the way around. They just alternate with a tab and then with a slot that goes together like that. Okay, so we will just glue this together real quick, and then we'll move on to the other pieces. All right, so now we've got the box done, so now we'll put on the frame pieces. Let me show you something important about the frames. On all of these frames here, there is a top and a bottom, and you can tell which one the bottom is because the bottom is slightly thicker here than here, okay? So this is the part that goes toward the bottom on all 3 of these. Now on the third one, exact same thing. You've got a thick bottom right here, but you've also got a tab or a slot that's open right here. And the placement of this piece is very important, okay? So let's do this together. We'll start with this piece. You can start on any side of the box that you want, it doesn't matter. And we'll glue this one on. And when we glue it on, you're going to make it flush on the top and the bottom and both sides, just like this. All right, so once we've got that one on, we're gonna work away from the slot. All right, away from the slot. Do not put a frame piece on the side where the slot is, okay? So we're gonna rotate it this way. The next piece we'll put some more glue on here. And on this one, we're going to make sure that the thick part is toward the bottom, and we're going to make it flush on our left side and our top and our bottom, okay? Left side and top and bottom. All right, last side here, again, the thick part goes toward the bottom. And on this one, we're going to make it flush again to our left and our top and our bottom. And once we have all the pieces on, we're going to have a side that is completely flat right here where it doesn't have a frame on it. And that's where the pencil is going to glue onto there. So we'll set this piece aside for just a moment. We'll come back to that. Let's go ahead and we'll put together our pencil next. We'll start with the back flat piece. We'll glue this one on, and then we'll put the insert pieces in. I always use the table to help me at least align one side of it. So I'll put it down here, and then I'll use my fingers to align the other side. So at least it's always flat against the bottom. And now we'll put the inside pieces in. All right, now we've got all the pencil together. We'll have just a couple more pieces. We'll do the ruler next. And I want to give you a couple tips on this particular piece right here. So what you'll find is because this piece can technically flex a little bit, if you're not careful, you might push this one a little too far in or something when you're aligning it with this. So just make sure you pay attention to that as you're assembling it. And then we'll put the inside piece in. All right, just 2 more pieces. We got the letter, and then we have the top trim ring. And last but not least, the top trim ring. We'll flip it upside down and we'll glue this piece on and we'll use our fingers to get it perfectly aligned on all 4 sides there. All right, now we're ready to finish assembling the whole project. So what I want you to do first is take the pencil box and your trim ring. This flat part right here goes toward what I'm going to call the front of the box, the side that doesn't have any of the trim rings on it or any of those on it. So it's going to go in just like this. It's going to fit nice and snug, just like that. And again, the flat piece here that doesn't have any frames on it is going to be perfectly aligned with the edge of this trim ring, not this overhang over here. So we can put a little bit of glue around the edges of this and then set it down in there. All right, now the pencil goes eraser down and it goes right against the front of this box. And what you're going to do is you're going to use, let me hold this up so you can see it here. You're going to use the edges of this trim ring to help align the pencil. So it's going to be perfectly aligned here, perfectly aligned there, and just flat against the table, just like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my box, I'm going to put glue around the edges here, and then I'm going to glue the pencil onto the box. All right, now take the pencil, I'm going to put it against here. I'm going to align it perfectly left and right against this trim ring and against the table. All right, all we've got is 2 more pieces. We've got the ruler, and remember this ruler has a tab there. I've got it upside down, sorry. Tab right there, and that tab goes right into this slot on the side of the pencil, or the side of the box, sorry. And you'll be able to put glue along this entire flat piece here, the back of the tab there, and it's going to be covered just a little bit by the front of the pencil. So you could put just a little bit there as well, just anything to help keep it secure. So let's do that together. All right, and all we've got left to do is put the letter on. The placement of the letter is going to be up to you. I personally like to put about half of the letter on the box and half off. So I kind of use the center of the letter as a visual reference, but you could technically put it wherever you want to. It's up to you. As you get further out here, it will have less to hold on to, so it might be a little less stable. So I'd probably give at least half of it in there. Choose where you want it to go, and then you can put glue on the back of the letter, and you can be kind of liberal with that because it's going to get all covered up by the front of the box. And there you have it. You've got your teacher's pencil holder. Again, you can use whatever kind of material you want. It'll look great. Have fun with paint or with different colors of wood. And I'd love to see what you guys make. If you have any questions or any problems, feel free to hit me up anytime.